Smoke detectors are an important tool in preventing catastrophic fires in homes, and Bend Fire and Rescue is going door to door to make sure homeowners are well protected.
Smoke alarms are critical to home fire safety because they alert us to a fire in its early stages. As fire develops, it creates smoke and carbon monoxide and other poisonous gases. When we're sleeping, we don't smell, we don't hear any of that, we don't see it. And so it buys us that time in order to evacuate a house in the event of a fire. In the last 4 years, 39% of all residential fires that were reported in the state of Oregon had no working smoke alarms. In addition, these fires resulted in 46 fatalities, 283 injuries, and $105 million in property loss. Recently, the last 10 years have shown that in the statistics of the number of fires in Oregon has decreased by 3.3%. That goes to show you that fire prevention is working. The Bend Fire Department is going door to door in selected communities in Bend, and we're going to be testing and installing smoke alarms and batteries at no cost to the homeowner. The presence of smoke alarms doubles your chance of surviving a fire. A great example of never ignoring a fire alarm is the Nosler Incident that occurred last year. Thanks to the efforts of the employees of the Nosler, they were able to evacuate the building when they heard the alarm. Had they not listened to that alarm and ignored it, we could have easily had hundreds of fatalities on our hand. Some of the rules and guidelines to follow with smoke alarms is to make sure you have a working smoke alarm on every level of the house. Make sure it is outside the sleeping area, and the best protection, of course, is inside every bedroom. Even though we're doing the smoke alarm canvas this month, the free smoke alarm program is available to any homeowner living in Bend 365 days of the year. So just give us a call if you need help.